Okay, here we are on another LA adventure. So today we're going to go down to see the Natural History Museum and the California Science Museum. What else is down in that area is the BMO Stadium, the Coliseum where they're going to have the 2028 Olympics, and USC, the college is down there. We're only going to go to the Natural History Museum and the California Science Museum. As you see, we're going to take the Metro line. That's the E line. The E line goes all the way and dead ends into Santa Monica and then goes all the way to downtown. It's got a lot of stops. It is a great way to travel in Los Angeles. And my friend that's going with me today, it's her first time, though she's lived here 23 years. It's her first time on the train and even down to the two museums. So let's go do that. Great day it's been. We're finished going through the Natural History Museum, California Science Museum. Yeah, we did eat some ice cream and had some snacks, but overall, LA is a great place. There's great sights to see here. Right behind us. Look how beautiful it is. So get out and see LA.